It can be tempting to give children a pair of hand-me-down grown-up headphones, but that isn't the best option. Not only are the larger sizes and increased weight less comfortable for younger kids, but the unregulated loudness levels of most adult headphones can lead to permanent hearing damage. So to be on the safe side, most kids will need access to headphones made specially for them, whether it's for school, travel, or simply to have an adult sanity. Hi YouTube, welcome back here, and for those who are returning to this channel, it's good to have you back. I'm sebabs, and in this video we're gonna unbox and review another gadget, the P47 foldable wireless stereo Bluetooth headset. We're gonna check it and try and answer if it's a total waste of money or just total junk.
Recalculating.
The P47 foldable wireless stereo Bluetooth headset is an ideal gift option for kids. They are volume limited, small enough to carry around, and are foldable. Looking at some general specifications on the box, on this side we have adjustable headband, control buttons, wirelessly operate devices, support TF card, just insert it and it will read all MP3 format, rechargeable battery, headphone port, microphone. You can use this headset for phone calls. On this side, comfortable and stable, stereo surround and high sound quality, high efficient in transmission, equipped with the new wireless 5.0 chip, 7-color light fashion design for music mostly. And on this side, HD sound microphone call, you can answer calls, high quality sound. And yeah, very important is this headset is widely compatible with many devices. So without further ado, let's get into it and find out.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new.
The package includes one Bluetooth headset, one USB charging cable, and one user manual in English and in Chinese. Before we continue, some technical information which might be useful. It's an on-ear headphone. USB charging, DC 5 volt in, FM frequency 87.5, only one FM channel I believe, maximum range 10 meters, battery life while making calls 6 hours, battery life while listening to music 6 hours. Battery light on and standby is of about 18 hours. Now let's look at the design and parts of the headset. This is a foldable portable headset, so it's easy to take along anywhere. The headband is adjustable, so don't worry about the size and even the contours of your head. There is a TF card slot for a SD memory card. Just fill the card with music, and as long as it's a MP3 format, you're ready to go. You can charge the device using a USB cable connected to any USB port. A red LED remains on while charging is in progress and turns blue when charging is complete. Charging before first use usually takes between 2 to 3 hours. Setup is pretty simple. You can easily control everything from these buttons. First, there is the power button. Press this for 3 seconds to turn on the device. A blue LED flashes rapidly and you hear a short voice message, wireless mode. To turn off, press the power button again for about 3 seconds. If an SD card was inserted before turning on, that's the first thing it will detect. To turn off, press the power button again for about 3 seconds. Then at the sides, play next or previous track. These buttons can be used to switch between songs. Press this button to go to the next track and press this button to go to the previous track. These same buttons can be used to increase or decrease volume. Just long press this button for 3 seconds to decrease the volume and long press this button for about 3 seconds to increase the volume. In the middle, the play pause button, which is the same buttons you use to answer calls. Press the play pause button to pause the device while it is playing. Also press it to start playback while the device is paused. And lastly, the menu button to switch between the different modes. First, using a memory card or FM radio or Bluetooth mode for your music or calls. To go to FM mode, press M to change mode. A voice message will say radio mode to indicate that you've switched to radio mode. Sometimes you will hear a voice message saying radio mode to indicate that you've changed radio. Long press to either increase volume or decrease volume. Increase volume. But if you want to change station, just short press to change station. To pair your headset with your wireless enabled mobile phone or other wireless enabled devices. On your wireless device, example, cell phone, activate Bluetooth and search for nearby devices. You should see the wireless connection name P47. Pair your device. After pairing, the blue LED will remain on. So you can just listen to any music. You can control from here. To answer a call, make sure Bluetooth is paired. Short press the middle button, play pause button to answer an incoming call. If you want to reject a call, long press the same button. But if you want to call back the last caller, press the same button twice. Short press the middle button to answer an incoming call. If you want to reject the call, short press the middle button. Again, if you want to call the last caller, you can double press and it's calling. This headset is not only wireless, but can also be used as a wired headphone. There is a 3.5mm port to connect to a variety of devices. You can connect your playback device to the headset using a 3.5mm jack cable. Insert one end into the port of your headset and the other end into the headphone jack of your playback device. The device will then function as an ordinary headset and the buttons will no longer control the playback device. Playback and volume level will have to be controlled using the buttons on your phone, on your CD player, or on your MP3 player. For example, you cannot control volume, you cannot lower volume. You'll have to control everything from here. From here. But unfortunately, this headset didn't come with a cable and you will have to buy one to use it. In a nutshell, and starting with sound quality, I can truly say that the sound quality is good and the volume is right for kids. The controls are limited to a few basic functions, which is good enough because, well, they're made for kids. They are very portable. The ear cups fold inwards, so you have no risk of having them snag on something if you just toss them into your bag. This headphone is wireless and thus can be connected using Bluetooth, auxiliary SD card, and can also tune into your favorite FM channels. The build quality is sort of disappointing, however. It's made entirely of cheap film plastic, but as we said earlier, it's made for kids, so there's no problem. Is it worth it? Well, you decide considering all we just talked about. But personally, I do think it is. So if you're on the hunt for a budget headset for your kids, especially as a gift, this set is ideal. Movies, play games, and listen to music can't be much easier, either at home or on short car trips. I hope we've been able to give out enough information about the P47M headset. If you have any comments, leave them below and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you'd like to learn more, you might want to check out the link in the description. Also, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button so you get notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching, and as always, see you soon.